Good afternoon. Um, my name is Eugenio Ortiz. I am currently taking the CompTIA A Plus. Professor is Joe Spain. This is week 2. So this is the video presentation due for week 2. We were told that we can um, give a quick lecture, class, or demonstration on anything that we've learned throughout this week. During this week, we did a couple of labs, and the labs had Linux boxes, Ubuntu boxes to be more precise, and they were using Wireshark as one of the methods for capturing packets and network traffic. So I thought it would be interesting to do an installation of Wireshark on a Linux distribution because we already know that on Windows, all you have to do is download the executable and click on the executable or double click on the executable and you're off and running. And for Mac OS, you just download the DMG file and you're off and running. So what is different about Linux is depending on the distribution, you would have different ways of doing it. But it can be done either via command line or it can be done either through their package manager or software center. So you can just type Wireshark, and there it is. And you can just click on that, and it'll get it installed for you. Or you can go to the command line, and you can type the sudo, which is super user do. Pacman is the package manager for this particular distribution, which is Arch Linux. -S is the install switch. You want to type the name of this software that you want. You hit enter. I already have it installed, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna hit enter. Okay. So one thing I discovered when I was doing this earlier, and I don't know if it's gonna do it again, is that you have to set permissions for Wireshark to work on the group, which I already did. So it's all seems to be working. You can see we can do a Bluetooth monitor and start capture, and it's capturing. I don't want to put my IP addresses out there on Front Street, so that's so I'll go ahead and use the Bluetooth so you can see that it's actually looking and tracking and it's working. So that's a beautiful thing. I don't have any internet. What is going on here? Wi-Fi is on. Well, we got wired. Okay, that's good. The wireless is not working, but the wired is working. That's neither here nor there. But anyhow, if you run into the issue where you have to add yourself to the Wireshark group, all you have to do is, again, with the super user do, you want to do the user modification or user mod -A, which is add, and -G, which is group. There you go. And then you add yourself. I misspelled myself when I created this Arch Linux account, but it's okay as long as you spell it. You know what user you are. That's the most important part. When you do that, oops, I must have mistyped something. Oh, because I've already done it. But in here 65. But because I've already done it, it's good to go. So I don't have to do anything else. But that would be the command that you would type to get yourself rights. Otherwise, you won't be able to run Wireshark on Linux if you're not part of the user group. Now, the reason why is because Linux does not want you to run Wireshark as a admin. So you have to add yourself as a normal user to Wireshark so you can run it. And once that is done, oops, once that's done, that's all you really need. You have now a functioning Wireshark. And I hope that this has been informative and instructive. Maybe I could have gone deeper into how Wireshark works, but again, we're putting this online, and I do not want to give away my internal addresses and stuff like that. Um, just because it's safer that way for me, my family, and whatnot. But I hope that this was instructional, and I hope that you've learned something from it, or that you gleaned anything out of this. And I hope that it was the whole it met all the requirements for the project. Until next time.